Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Fotografia. For the introduction, I like to open with a C major 9, and then I like to go to an F7 sus. But you can also make that into an F13 sus, and you can even take off your pinky and just make it a nice F7 sus again like that. So a couple of different options for the introduction. Once we get into the main part of the song, we return to the C major 9 for 2 measures. And then I'm going to go to the F7 sus, and then I'm going to come down to an F13. Then we're going to go back to a C major 9 for 2 measures. Then we're going to come up to an E half diminished 7. And then I'm going to move that down to an A7 flat 13. And then a personal move I like to do is go to a D minor 9. I like to put that D minor 9 over C. And then I like to go down to a B minor 7 flat 5 or B half diminished. And then to an E7 sharp 9 with that voicing. I like that one. And then I go to an A minor 11. And then here we have some options. We could go to a D7. We could make it a D9. Or we could even make it a D9 with a sharp 11. And then to finish up, we go to D minor 9, G7 flat 13, C major 9, back to F13, C major 9 again, and back to F13. So nice and slow with the intro, it'll sound like this. If this lesson's been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving me a like. I really appreciate it.